Hello learners, in this chapter of organic chemistry we have discussed the naming of the compounds, organic compounds as well as the alicyclic compounds. Simple compounds की और alicyclic compounds को हम कैसे नेम कर सकते हैं. If substituents are there, if multiple bonds they are there, if functional groups they are there, if cyclic structures they are there, that all we have discussed. Now in this part we are going to discuss the nomenclature of simple aromatic compounds. अब तक हमने किए थे simple organic compounds as well as alicyclic compounds. Now is the turn of aromatic compounds. The simplest aromatic compound is benzene. We know that in benzene alternate single and double bond they are there. Its formula is C6H6. But if this C6H6 is acting as a substituent somewhere, जैसे हम कहते हैं कि CH4 is methane, in the same way if it is acting as a substituent then it is CH3 and we write it as methyl. Similarly C2H6 ethane, C2H5 ethyl, C3H8 प्रोपेन, C3H7 प्रोपाइल. मतलब एक हाइड्रोजन कम हो जाएगा तो वो सब्स्टिट्यूएंट की तरह एक्ट करेगा और उसका नाम हम आइल के साथ रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे. इसी तरह C6H6 इज बेंजीन, लेकिन अगर ये सब्स्टिट्यूएंट की तरह अटैच्ड है तो ये C6H5 हो जाएगी एंड देन वी नेम इट एज फिनाइल. C6H6 benzene, C6H5 phenyl group is named in which one of the hydrogen is less. जैसे यहाँ एक हाइड्रोजन लेस हो गया, इस तरह इसमें भी इससे एक हाइड्रोजन लेस हो जाएगा and we name it as phenyl. Regarding this chain, अब इस चेन में अगर हमारे पास कोई सब्स्टिट्यूएंट अटैच्ड है, यहाँ suppose here one of the substituent is attached, say it is X. With respect to this X, this position is termed as ortho, this is termed as meta and this is termed as para position. In the same way, इसके respect में यहाँ ortho, यहाँ meta and here it is para. मतलब इसके respect में either this side or this side, ये दोनों locations क्या कहलाती है? Ortho positions. These two are meta positions and opposite to it, it is the para position. In the same way, if on the benzene ring CH2 is attached, CH2 इसके साथ कुछ attached है, then it is known as benzyl. Commonly it is known as benzyl. अगर CH अटैच्ड है, ऑब्वियसली CH है तो इसकी एक वैलेंसी 2, 3, 4 किसी और के साथ पूरी होंगी, देन इट इज बेंजल. एंड इफ नो हाइड्रोजन इज देयर विद दिस कार्बन देन इट इज बेंजो. These are the general terms which are used when aromatic compounds they are there. जैसे यहाँ बेंजीन, बेंजीन के ऊपर सब्स्टिट्यूएंट लगा तो मिथाइल बेंजीन, बेंजीन के ऊपर सब्स्टिट्यूएंट लग गया CH3, देन इट इज नेम्ड मिथाइल बेंजीन एंड कॉमनली इट इज नोन एज टोलुएन. अगर मिथाइल की जगह CH2 CH3 मीन C2H5 लग गया देन इट इज इथाइल बेंजीन. इफ टू सब्स्टिट्यूएंट्स आर देयर देन 1,2-dimethyl benzene, 1,2-dimethyl benzene, or it is also known as orthoxylene. Orthoxylene, ortho position इसके रिस्पेक्ट में this is ortho and commonly it is known as orthoxylene. Similarly, instead of benzene, methyl group, if chloro group is there then chlorobenzene, 1,2-dichlorobenzene. Here benzene ring के ऊपर just now we have done that if on benzene ring CH2 is there then it is benzyl. So this part is benzyl part. Benzyl के साथ क्या लगा है? क्लोरीन. So it is benzyl chloride. Commonly it is known as benzyl chloride. Otherwise we can its name is phenyl chloromethane. मीथेन का एक HCl Cl से रिप्लेस हो गया और एक H फिनाइल पार्ट से रिप्लेस हो गया, C6H5 is here, 1 2 3 C6H6 होता है, 1 2 3 4 5 6 कार्बन आर देयर, बट हाइड्रोजन आर 1 2 3 4 5 6, तो यहाँ वाला एक हाइड्रोजन इस CH2Cl से रिप्लेस हो गया. सो नाउ इट इज द फिनाइल पार्ट, सो इट इज फिनाइल क्लोरोबेंजीन. इन द सेम वे बेंजाइल अल्कोहल, अगर Cl की जगह क्या लग गया OH, देन इट्स नेम विल बी बेंजाइल अल्कोहल. नाउ हियर व्हाट दिस इज, और ईथर ग्रुप, ईथर के साथ क्या अटैच्ड है CH3 और इधर क्या अटैच्ड है C6H5. तो ये क्या है, बेंजीन के ऊपर मिथॉक्सी ग्रुप इज अटैच्ड, सो इट इज मिथॉक्सी बेंजीन. So these are the general ways for writing the naming of the compounds, and these are some of the examples of the particular names given to it. In the same way, अगर functional group attached हो, then it is named as accordingly. जैसे बेंजीन के ऊपर अगर OH हो, then we name it as phenol. Its common name is phenol. क्योंकि ये फिनाइल ग्रुप, ऊपर ये OH ग्रुप, फंक्शनल ग्रुप, देन इट इज नोन एज फिनोल. बेंजीन के ऊपर CHO ग्रुप, बेंजल्डिहाइड, इट इज बेंजोइक एसिड, इट इज बेंजामाइड, CONH2 amide group is present here. So these are the specific names of the organic compounds regarding the aromatic compounds. पहले हमने किए general positions, किसी के लिए भी हम general क्या term use करते हैं according to their position, and these are the specific names given to the compounds of the aromatic compounds. Names of some more aromatic compounds are 2-methylphenol. First of all, this is the benzene ring. If these two they are not there, then it is benzene ring. अगर इसके ऊपर ये CH3 ना हो, then it is phenol. Now this CH3 is there, but functional group should be given the preference. So accordingly, this will be the first carbon, and this is the second carbon. Accordingly, it is 2-methylphenol. Next, if instead of CH3, CHO is there, and we know that according to the preference, CHO is preferred as compared to the hydroxyl group. So we'll number it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Accordingly, 2-hydroxy benzaldehyde. अगर ये ना हो तो अकेला क्या होगा, बेंजल्डिहाइड. अगर ये दोनों ना हो तो क्या होगा, बेंजीन. और अगर ये ना हो तो क्या होगा, फिनोल. Now both they are there, and according to the rule, the functional group should be given the preference, and according to the preference, aldehyde is given the preference as compared to hydroxy group. So its name is 2-hydroxy benzaldehyde. Commonly it is also known as salicylaldehyde. Now next, in this example, this chain is having the functional group, and this rule we have done in case of alicyclic compounds also, कि अगर रिंग के अलावा चेन में फंक्शनल ग्रुप होगा तो that will be considered as a parent part, and the ring will be considered as a substituent. In the same way here also, this aromatic ring will act as a substituent. Now in this substituent, carbon they are 6, but hydrogen they are 5, 1 2 3 4 5. So it is the phenyl part. This phenyl part is attached on the third carbon atom of this parent chain. Hence its name is 3-phenyl propanol, ul for this aldehyde. Coming to the next one, this is COR dash. Here one R is phenyl group and the other R is alkyl group. ये एक part है R, this is CO in between, and this is R dash. This R dash is this alkyl group, this R is this phenyl group. So one कीटोन की ही फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे फिनाइल ग्रुप, 1 फिनाइल, दिस विल, क्योंकि इसमें फंक्शनल ग्रुप है और ये वाला फंक्शनल ग्रुप कभी भी टर्मिनल नहीं होता, सो काउंटिंग इट एज 1 2 फिनाइल 1 फिनाइल, फिनाइल फर्स्ट कार्बन के फर्स्ट पार्ट के ऊपर ये अटैच्ड है। 1 फिनाइल इथेन, इथेन के ऊपर फर्स्ट कार्बन के साथ फिनाइल ग्रुप अटैच्ड है। 1 फिनाइल इथेन 1 ओन। नेक्स्ट इज इथेन 2 ओन। It is also known as acetophenol. Next is benzoic acid. Benzoic acid is C6H5 के ऊपर COOH लगा हो, that is benzoic acid. Now here OH group also is there. According to the preference, COOH is given the preference the more. So according to the numbering, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So it is 2-hydroxybenzoic acid and it is also known as salicylic acid. जैसे यहाँ 2-hydroxybenzaldehyde था, it was salicylaldehyde. It is 2-hydroxybenzoic acid and it is also named as salicylic acid. इस OH की जगह अगर यहाँ NH2 आ गया तो 2-aminobenzoic acid. अगर दोनों ही जगह COOH आ गया then benzene 1,2-dioic acid. Benzene 1,2-dioic acid. क्योंकि अगर दो फंक्शनल ग्रुप टर्मिनल फंक्शनल ग्रुप्स हैं तो हम किसी को भी प्रेफरेंस नहीं दे सकते कि किसे हम नंबर 1 दें, किसे 2 दें। तो इट इज बेंजीन 1, 2, तब हम पेरेंट पार्ट को ही नेम देंगे। देन इट इज नेम्ड एज बेंजीन 1,2-dioic acid. बेंजीन रिंग के ऊपर अगर NH2 है then it is benzenamine and it is commonly known as aniline. Now we did that if on benzene ring CH2 is there then it is benzyl, if CH is there then it is benzyl, if only C is there then it is benzyl. तो अब यहाँ अकेला C है, इस C के साथ डबल बॉन्ड O और Cl अटैच्ड है। Now it is named as benzoyl chloride. It is named as benzoyl chloride. If on benzene ring nitro part is there then it is NO2 is there then it is named as nitrobenzene. So we have done the nomenclature of some of the aromatic compounds. Rest rules for naming the aromatic compounds is like that we have discussed in the simple organic compounds as well as the alicyclic organic compounds. The rules which are to be followed there, they are to be followed here also. Some of them we have discussed in the naming we did here. जैसे यहाँ दो फंक्शन ग्रुप थे तो हमने प्रेफरेंस के अकॉर्डिंग इसे नंबर दिया. In the same way we did it in the alicyclic compounds also. So the rest of the rules they are same like that we have done in the previous parts of this nomenclature. Thank you.